Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy LeBron James. I'm joking. I don't know what I was doing that for. I also don't know what the intro was, but yeah, as you guys can see, I'm back. Yeah, you guys probably have a lot of questions on what I've been doing, what I've been up to, and why I haven't posted these past couple months. And yeah, this video is just basically here for me to kind of explain to you guys what the hell happened, right? And yeah, so basically, long story short, my trading has sucked like really bad, and I didn't feel like posting all these red days and me blowing accounts, and because that's what it really was. I literally got kind of PTSD from trading the markets. I really did. I ended up taking like a break, but before all this happened, right, I did manage to secure a payout of $3,000 with Tradify. So I believe that adds up to around $10,000 on the year. However, after that, I ended up blowing close to 15 to maybe 18 different funded accounts without having secured a single payout. And this kind of all started with when, you know, Trump took office and the markets were going crazy. All the tariff news and stuff like that. I wasn't able to adjust to the market. Simple as that. I have no excuses. I definitely lacked the discipline to trade during that time because I was so focused on trying to chase these P&L these P&Ls, these fat P&Ls, and I wasn't adjusting accordingly to what the market was doing. Right, I was going in one contract, but like the price action was going 100-point moves in seconds, right? And I didn't take the necessary precautions to kind of adjust to the new, you know, price action, and it really showed. It bit me in the ass, and I lacked discipline. I couldn't hold myself back, and I just kept blowing account after account after account, and it kind of definitely wasn't motivating to try to upload a video and tell you guys I blew my account, you know, I'm red on the day. It wasn't what I wanted to show you guys, and that's partly my fault, right? Because I started this channel as a way for me to document myself and my journey as a trader, right? And part of that is showing the losses, right? Showing the journey, right? Showing the wins, showing the L's, showing everything, right? Full transparency. And I think I lost sight of that, right? I was too focused on trying to impress you guys and trying to seek affirmation that I was a good trader, right? Instead of focusing on what was important, I was too focused on the unnecessary stuff, right? And that really showed because, you know, obviously I didn't upload or I didn't post, and that's my fault. I apologize. So after, you know, having blown so many accounts and not securing a single payout, I literally got PTSD, I swear, from trading the markets. Every time I would put on even a paper trade, right, just to make sure I still have my edge and my technicals down, I was scared. My heart rate would beat out of my chest. And normally when you put on a trade, that's normal, right? But like for me, like the rate at which my heart was beating was just so abnormal, and I was shaking. It was bad. So I ended up taking a month break from trading and just kind of trying to understand myself in the sense that what went wrong and what do I need to do moving forward to kind of fix that, right? So I basically just took a month off, kind of reevaluated where I'm at and where I need to be, right? And thankfully it helped. I've been slowly readjusting to the markets. I have been trading. I don't know if you guys have kept up, but I have been trading still, as you guys see. I will post. I have been live streaming the morning sessions for you know, maybe close to an hour at a time, 30 minutes maybe. But if you guys were ever interested, make sure you tune in for the morning live streams. Actually, I plan on live streaming pretty much every day from now on, just to hold myself accountable, right? This is one of the countermeasures, if you want to call it that I kind of put for myself to kind of hold myself accountable and kind of readjust, right? So, yeah, basically, so if we go back to one of my previous posts before I stopped posting at all, right, was when I had these 5 Tradify accounts, right? And these 5 Tradify accounts, I did secure 2 payouts with these. I don't know what happened with this one. I don't think I had enough days with this one or something. I can't remember. Actually, no, maybe I secured 2 payouts at least with Tradify is basically what I'm trying to say, of 3,000. And right after, I blew all these accounts, these 5 accounts, right? And that was mentally tough, but immediately after, Apex actually ended up having like a 90% sale or something, and I actually managed to pass 6 accounts and activated all those, right? Traded pretty decent those on those funded accounts. Got really close to payout and ended up blowing that. So basically I'm already 11 counts deep on these fundeds and didn't really secure a payout, and that was tough. So I kind of sized down on my copy trading, if you want to call it that, and was only trading 1 or 2 accounts at a time, and just could not secure a payout. I couldn't get anything rolling, right? I was lacking so much discipline. I was chasing trades. The setups I normally wouldn't take, I was taking left and right, and over trading and doing all these stuff that I told myself I wouldn't do, right? Basically just trading like an idiot, right? Simple as that. And I just ended up taking a break after that and needed to mentally reset. And you know, I had my reflection time. That's past, right? We're good now. But I guess during this time I definitely felt like my trading had regressed a lot from what I had built up until this point, right? So if we were to make like a graph, like if I were to like show you guys like a graph of trading, right? We're in like a bullish trend, right? I feel like this is my trading journey, right? This is like, we're in a bullish trend, right? And all of a sudden you get like a 50% retrace all the way back down, but like in one candle, right? That's basically what it felt like. Yeah, that's why I haven't been posting. I was honestly ashamed and embarrassed to kind of even show you guys. But like I said, this channel and all my social medias are for me to show you guys A to Z, right? No, I don't want to kind of sugarcoat anything. I want to show you guys the entire process and what it takes for what I believe to be a successful trader, right? And so I will I will start doing that again, wins and L's. Like I said, I have been posting, I have been live streaming the New York sessions. So you guys are interested, make sure you tune in. And I also opened up a Discord, right? I did have requests back then before I, stopped posting. I did have a lot of requests to open up like a Discord just so people have like a place to talk and just the community, right? So I did end up making a Discord. I plan on adding a lot of stuff to it. So when you guys first enter, make sure you guys click this check mark right before you guys enter. Yeah, I plan on adding a whole bunch of different stuff for you guys. I will be showing my executions on here from the trades I do take, right? As well as, maybe P&Ls if you guys are interested in that. So this is currently the account I'm trying to build up right now. And yeah, I'll have like these Notion templates. I'll have some educational stuff. And I'll probably be live streaming in here as well as on YouTube. So you guys are ever interested, make sure you guys join. But yeah, I want to just make this quick update video. I don't want to keep it too long, right? Just give you guys an update on what I've been up to, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or if you guys want to yell at me in the comments, that's cool. Make sure you guys, like I said, join in on the YouTube live streams. I'm gonna try to live stream more. Don't copy my trades. I'm trying to get back on my feet. You guys better not copy my trades. As well as make sure you join the Discord, right? Just if you guys wanted to have some sort of community, I'm sure you guys have a lot of Discord channels you guys are part of. But yeah, this is just another one. If you guys are ever interested, I just thought I'd make a Discord, kind of give you guys updates on there, and I definitely plan on adding a lot more to that. I will be posting a lot more on YouTube, hopefully, in the coming future. I don't know what kind of content I still want to do. I will also start posting those YouTube shorts again that I used to do, like these trade executions. Probably I'll do it a little bit differently, but I still plan on doing something similar to this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for actually clicking in the video. I don't even know if you made it to the end of the video. It's kind of just me ranting, but look at our first member, bro. Our first member in the Discord actually killed it. He took this trade on his own. He was just showing me his execution and stuff. But yeah, good on him. And yeah, if you guys are interested, like I said, make sure you click the link in the description. I will have the Discord link there. And yeah, this is the Trading Tribe. This is not an advertisement to join. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I was doing. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.